Western Mindanao State University, Dumingag Campus, College of Information Technology. Time flies so fast. We are here now at the departing line. You, the BSCS and BS Cream Juniors, to stay. And we, the BSCS Seniors, Batch 3, Class 2008 of Western Mindanao State University, Dumingag Campus, to leave. With the guidance and advice given to us by our beloved instructors, with the knowledge gained which cannot be repaid, we do hereby distribute equally as possible the interest, skills, and qualifications of our class to the succeeding juniors with the hope that our successors may, before departing, continue those we left unfinished. After the fulfillment of our 4-year struggle and happiness in this institution, we hereby leave this class will and testament as follows. The witty Arlene Albiti and Bernalyn Luciñara have decided to leave their mental capacities to Rumilin Cultura, so she may be models of intellect of the succeeding class. The jovial John Dexter Dico and Joko Custanilla leave their funny antics to Evelyn Portabes and Richie Espinosa, who believed that laughter is the best medicine. I just don't know, however, if it can cure the worst sickness, which is the laziness of some students. The mathematically minded Zacarias de la Torre II and Bernalyn Luciñara leave their remarkable enthusiasm to solve tear-producing problems and brain-racking equations to Ivy Gori, Shahani Igno, and Romilin Cultura. The romantic bonded to endless love of John Dexter Dico, Angelica Mercader, and Joko Custanilla, Jimachay Manda leave the Romeo and Juliet love style to Ernal Dico, Ivy Gori, and Ronald Jensen, Shahani Igno. To the artists Evelyn Portabes, Shahani Igno, and Ernel Dico, we leave the ingenuity and artistry of Rolly de la Torre, Jonathan Hesta, Angelica Mercader, and Mark Sidsad. Those who used to go to school very early for the second or third period classes, Jacquilo Estores and Jonathan Hesta, leave their newly repaired class that ring the alarm at midnight to Richie Espinosa, Lorena Habla, and Elbe de la Torre, with the reminder that to be late is to make an excuse late, as to make an excuse late is to hear a sermon. The soft-spoken Mayan Celeste, Armalin Macamay, Agencel Quiñones, Jimachay Amanda, Maricel Raboy, Rosel Orsais, and Mardel Taperla. We give the outlandish silent earnestness to Lini Joy Nano, Rosel Cañete, Irene Balakwit, Sharon Cornia, Ronald Jensen, Jason Serna, and Silapan Lee. To those with avid athletic enthusiasm, Joko Custanilla, John Michael Pacobilangnan, John Dexter Dico, Junicio Sulatorio, Fred Dautuan, Grace Rada, Jaquilo Istores, Angeli Jubinal, Agencel Quiñones, Rolene Berhami, and Ryan Flores are willing to leave their buoyancy of athletic ace. This, in particular, is given to Evelyn Portabes, Lorena Habla, Romy P. Mahinay, Gida Marie Ahig, Milka De Arol, Darlene Melendres, Ernel Dico, and Idilin Enricoso. The skillful Rolly G. Vinietes, Junicio Sulatorio, Arlene Albiti, Zacarias de la Torre leave the accuracy and precision on their skills in web designing and programming to Rumilin Cultura, Ivy Gori, and Richie Espinosa. To those with the ability to make leaders while leading, we give the presidency of Bernalyn Luciñara. She hopes that Rumilin Cultura and Ernel Dico will be more active than they were. The driving skill of Joko Custanilla, Rolly J. Vinietes, and Arlene Albiti will be handed over to Ronald Jensen, Ernel Dico, Idilin Enricoso, Jason Serna, John Mark Rafanan, Lee Salapan, Arnel Saluma, Milka Daarol, Evelyn Fortaves, and Darlene Jean Melendres. We leave the cheerfulness and friendliness of Jason Hilero, Dina Nicolas, Roxanne Vergara, Helen Grace Jaime, Grace Maata, Mercy Pornia, Anayesa Pandino, and John Dexter Dico, to Richimi Espinosa, Evelyn Fortaves, Maricel Nazareno, Myrna Kapagnan, and Shahani Igno. They hope that they would stay as friendly as they are. To the aspiring singers, we leave the music of our Nightingale, Emeline Arciaga, and balladeer Rolly de la Torre. Their music can soften the heart of even the wildest beast. Their golden voices are distributed to Lini Joy Nano, Myrna Kapagnan, and Romy P. Mahinay. We bequeathed thrones and duties of Jimatayo Mandak, Ajinsel Quiñones, and Helen Grace Jaime to the babies, beauty, and brains of juniors, Ivy Gori and Evelyn Fortaves. To those who have the ability to do the body rock, we leave the skills of John Dexter Dico and Mercy Pornia. They gave their movements to Ivy Gori, Jovian Sardido, Shahani Igno, John Mark Rafanan, and Idelin Enricoso, with the hope that they will only dance body rock, not body breaks or body cracks. To the elves of the juniors, Ivy Gori, Shahani Igno, and Richimi Espinosa, we hand the heights of John Dexter Dico, Gregory Estrada, and Jason Hilero. To all the BSCS and B-Scream juniors, we leave the usufruct of Western Mindanao State University Dumiag Campus, the responsibilities as well as the privileges, the hardship and happiness, the tears and laughters, the do's and don'ts that we followed, the losses and wins, with a fervent wish that they maintain and uphold the ideals and good name of Wensu. To our alma mater, we give our innermost gratitude for imparting to us those precious moments which are unforgettable and joyful. We don't know how to define that we are feeling now, but with the play-to-life statement we say, we thank God we are born Filipinos and not Hindus, free men, not slaves, normal, not abnormal, and above all, we are born to have a chance to be here, to be in this institution, the Western Mindanao State University, Dumiag Campus. Lastly, we nominate, recommend, and appoint our campus administrator, Dr. Felix D. Bidonio, our interim Dean of the College of Information Technology, Engineer Precious V. Gitalan, our Dean of Student Affairs, Mrs. Maria Consuelo G. Vilnes, and our ever-supportive BSc Senior Class Advisor, Mr. Victor D. Granada, to be the executors of this class will and testament. In witness whereof, in this momentous and memorable junior-senior promenade, I will now affix my signature for class 2007-2008 on this testament, this 13th day of February, in the year of our Lord 2008, at the Levy Oil Reception Hall, Oswego, Dumiag, Zamboanga del Sur. Thank you, and once again, good afternoon.